Oh, that would have been so awesome. You know what this is? Precision eyeballing.
This is precision eyeballing. This is kind of the Antics garage way. It's kind of what we always done.
That's right. Precision eyeball is working for us so far.
1,000 subscribers in.
Yep.
Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of another video.
Yeah, we are pretty amazed. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. That is not something we were really ever planning to happen. We were just documenting us building a go-kart in the garage, and it turned into this big fiasco, so thank you so much. We thought we'd commemorate the occasion with this cool little plaque that we made. What you don't know is that we had also made ourselves one at the 100 subscriber level. This is the cardboard award, so we upgraded to the wood award.
For 1,000.
Pretty classy.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for getting us to 1,000 subscribers. If you are interested in subscribing to our channel as well, make sure to click somewhere in the screen to help us make...
It's around here somewhere. We didn't plan this out, sorry.
Yeah, we're kind of just winging it. But yeah, we're at 1,000 subscribers. Help us get to 2,000.
Yep.
If you'd like to see our last video, click somewhere on the screen. We'll see you guys next time.
All right, see you guys.